When starting a blog, most people think that you need to use WordPress or Ghost or Wix. But if we actually look at the data, blogging is on a decline, which means that if you are still blogging like it's 2014, chances are you getting traffic are pretty much close to zero. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly where to post your blog posts so that you can build a massive audience and make thousands of dollars per month writing about your expertise. But before getting started, if you want to know how to set up a profitable blogging system, I have this free course that you can get at the first link in the description. It will show you exactly how to find a profitable blogging idea, how to attract a horde of hungry readers, and most importantly, how to turn a tiny audience into a consistent six-figure income. It's the first link in the description. The first platform where you want to post is Medium. And the reason why Medium is such a great place to start writing is because it already has a built-in audience. Because let's think about it. When you're just getting started with your blog, you're going to have zero visitors, right? But by writing on Medium, you get access to a pool of close to 100 million monthly readers. So all you have to do is know exactly how to write good blog posts so that these get recommended in your readers' newsfeed. But that's not all. As you can see, Medium readers also pay $5 a month to read unlimited blog posts on Medium. And every time someone reads your article, you are going to make money. So instead of getting confused, setting up your own blog, finding the right theme, installing the right plugins, you could simply create a Medium account in 30 seconds and hit the right button, start writing, and then let the algorithm do its job and show your content to more readers. Really think of it as social media, but for blog posts. The second platform where I would recommend you start blogging is called Substack. Substack is similar to Medium, where you can tap into a pool of 100 million readers and where you can publish blog posts. Now, the interesting thing about it, you can also gate your blog posts behind a paywall. It's not something that I would recommend, but there are people making good money with it. The interesting thing about Substack is not only that you can publish your blog posts right here, but also that you can collaborate with other writers. So what does that mean? If I head over to the recommendations right here, I was able to add 1,600 new email subscribers to my email list simply from recommendations with other writers. So how this basically works is that once you've created your Substack account, you'll have access to a newsfeed like this. And think of this newsfeed as Twitter. You can start interacting with other writers, and the more you're going to interact, the easier then it will be to start a conversation here in the DMs and simply swapping recommendations. People on Substack are very nice, and you always find someone that you can swap recommendations with. The more you are going to write on this platform, the more you can get recommended, the more readers you'll be able to find, and you'll be also able to build your email list straight within the platform because Substack is built up from the ground up to help you build your email list. Do you see this little orange subscribe button right here? Well, if I'm going to hit this, I'm going to get subscribed straight to Tom's email list, right? So now here is the interesting thing. You can actually publish the same piece on Substack and the same piece on Medium. Copy, paste, something that I'm doing all the time. So you can actually look at this article right here, and here is the same article on Substack. More readers by simply copy and pasting the same article. Even though Medium and Substack are great platforms, you need to understand like these are platforms, which means that you can get canceled, you can get suspended at any point in time, right? And if you do this, then you've basically lost your blogging platform. And this happens all the time. You see it everywhere. You see it on YouTube, you see it on X, you see it on LinkedIn, and you see it also on Medium and on Substack. So this is why not only should you publish on those two platforms, but you should also start a good old blog. You could use WordPress, you could use Ghost. And the reason is that your blog is your piece of real estate on the internet. Nobody can actually ban your site. Nobody can ban you from publishing articles on your own blog. Now, here's the thing most people don't understand. Your blog will take months to actually start ranking. You will also need to understand keyword research. You will also need to understand how to structure a good blog post. And this is not something that you will be able to understand and to grasp from your first articles. So this is why Medium and Substack are a great playground to start learning, start iterating fast, becoming better, and then ultimately also start writing for SEO. So these are the 3 places I recommend all my clients, all my students to start with. So copy and paste your stuff from Medium to Substack, become good at writing, identify your niche, and then have a long-term vision with your blog so that you can be platform independent. I've been blogging for over 14 years. And if you want to know what is working right now, I have this free course and you can grab this. It's the first link in the description. And it will show you exactly how to start building audiences on platforms like Medium. I've done this myself. On platforms like Substack, I've done it on my website. As you can see, over the past 3 months, over 1 million impressions. And if you don't, that's cool. Keep blogging as in 2014. Cheers.